Here's a step-by-step guide for creating your very own Descendant Family History Poster using your Ancestry data on MyCanvas. You'll want to be sure you've created your family trees and added all information into your Ancestry account before beginning this process. If you don't have an Ancestry account, you'll want to watch our webinar about creating family history posters without Ancestry data. That's linked in the information below. Head to the Products section at mycanvas.com and select Ancestry Family History. Then, choose Ancestry Family History Poster. Here, you may choose from 3 types of posters. Standard, which starts with an individual and includes their direct line of ancestors. Combination, which starts with a couple and includes their children plus the direct line of ancestors for each person in the starting couple. Or Descendant. Today, we'll focus on creating a descendant poster. This type of poster starts with an individual or a couple, includes their children, and the direct line of descendants up to their great-grandchildren. The maximum number of generations for this poster is 4. Select the type of poster and number of generations you'd like, then scroll down and select Continue. To use your Ancestry data, you'll want to click the Login with Ancestry button and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Begin by selecting the family tree you'd like to reference on this poster. Then, find the starting person for your tree by typing in their name until you locate them. Select the starting person and select a partner if you'd like. Then, select Preview Your Creation in the lower right-hand corner. You will then see a box pop up that reads Building Your Project. When complete, all available information will be added to your poster for you to view and edit. But the first thing you should do before making any changes or edits is to save your creation with a name. Type it here in the top toolbar and hit Save. There are a few things you can edit right off the bat, including the style of poster you'd like. You can choose from 3 backgrounds and font treatments: Classic, which is pictured as the default, Modern, and Vintage. To change the background, just select it from the side toolbar. Make sure you choose your background before making any other changes, because changing the background mid-edit will delete any changes you've made. Another common editing tool you can use for descendant posters is enlarging your existing poster layout. Since all of the information varies greatly for every descendant poster, the automatic layout can sometimes feel sparse for certain families. For example, the information on this page only fits half of my poster. It's very easy to adjust this and make everything fill your page. Simply use your mouse to drag over all of the elements you'd like to enlarge until they're all selected, with blue around them. Then, find the white square in the corner of the grouping and click and drag with your mouse to make everything bigger. You can continue editing text and photos within your project to make it just what you'd like. Please reference the additional editing videos linked in the caption to help you along.